Friends, have you noticed something? Sometimes Gmail is made very easily, and sometimes Google becomes strict and asks for a phone number. In today's video, I will clearly explain when Gmail is made without a phone number, and when it doesn't work. Friends, I am Serena from Searchable Box. Today, I will explain step by step all the reasons why Google sometimes asks for your phone number. Don't skip the video because every step will save your time. Tell me in the comments on which step does Gmail ask for phone verification on your phone. Step 1. When does Google think you are a low-risk user? When your phone looks new, or when your browser is a fresh, clean profile. When your cookies are very few. When Google feels your activity is normal and safe. This means Gmail is created without a phone number when Google does not see anything strange or suspicious. If you want me to make another video about these low-risk settings, type yes in the comments. Step 2. Sign up from app versus sign up from browser. Making a Gmail account from the Gmail app is usually much easier. When you use a browser like Chrome, Google sometimes does extra checks. On mobile apps, Google asks for phone numbers less often. In 2025, Google made it easier for mobile users, so they don't get phone number checks too much. Do you make Gmail from the Gmail app or from Chrome? Tell me in the comments. Step 3. Age is very important. If you put your age as 18 or older, most of the time Google doesn't ask for a phone number. If your age is 13 to 17, there is a higher chance Google will ask for verification. Google wants to keep younger users extra safe. There is a certain age where Google almost never asks for a phone number. I'll tell you in the next step. Step 4. Region and device language difference. In some countries, Google asks for more checks when you sign up. In other countries, it might not ask for a phone number. Changing the language or country on your device can make Google less strict. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference. Step 5. When your phone already has many old Gmail accounts. Google checks if your device is doing something unusual. If your phone has too many Gmail accounts already logged in, then Google asks for phone verification. But if your device looks new or clean, then Google usually does not ask for phone verification. Do you have more than 5 Gmail accounts on your phone? Tell me in the comments. Step 6. Cookies, cache and account history. When your browser has very old history, or too many cookies saved, Google thinks something is not normal, and it may ask for phone verification. But if you use a fresh browser or clean everything, the chance of verification becomes much lower. Sometimes a small cleanup can remove the phone verification completely. So friends, now you fully understand when Gmail is made without a phone number, and when Google asks for verification. If your account is still not working, write your problem in the comments, because we reply to all our subscribers within 24 hours. And yes, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And now, see you in the next video. Thank you.